Next transfer. There we go then. Oh, this is what we tried to upgrade to.
No, they don't have the pools.
Oh, these don't even have the pool. Okay, so here's the outside of our room. We're number 614 for anyone preference that is coming in here. I mean reference, not preference. Anyway, here's the room. Very beautiful. It's split level. And obviously the balcony straight out. Now we'll go straight into the bathroom. We have a shower, quite a big one to be fair. And then as I open this up, we have got an outdoor shower. Obviously going to take advantage of this. Don't know who they think we are, but we've got an outdoor shower. And obviously a toilet needed. And then look at the cute little decoration. As we walk on round, we've got some wardrobe space, some flip-flops, all of our towels, hairdryer, all of that kind of stuff. A lush sink, very nice. Oh, what amenities have we got here? We've got a comb, shaving kit, dental kits. Ooh, sewing, sanitary vanity, and a shower cap. And that's a hand wash. It's very clean, straight away on first impressions. And then, like I say, it's got the split level with the balcony overlooking. So let's go out there and have a little look. Ta-da! Excited to see this for sunrise tomorrow. Got a bench out here as well, we can sit here. Feels like I'm back in Centre Parks. I'm joking. Wow. How unreal is this? Can you see that island over there as well? Oh, beautiful. I'll put it on number 1 so you can see a real-time prospect. Gosh, it's been a long day. Beautiful. So nice. Loads of space here. They've given us 2 bottles of water. We've got tea and coffee, which is fabulous. And a little fruit platter. How sweet. Don't know how long it's been sat there for. Maybe not so sweet.